Easily customize your own Christmas cards in Studio. Kickstart your design by searching for a template in the Templates tab. I simply searched Christmas and found one I liked. I want the card to be in portrait orientation, so I reversed the dimensions in the toolbar at the top of the canvas. Unlock the background elements in the Layers panel to rearrange them to suit the new orientation. I flipped the design using the mirror tool and rotated it. Then, realign your text to the center of the template. For a bit more variation, I opted to edit the fonts as well to go for a bit more variation and contrast in the designs. Lastly, I added some additional graphics for some final details. Getting started is free, but if you have an all-access subscription to Creative Fabrica, you have access to all of Studio's premium features too. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips.